Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your personal finance with Acorns easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Acorns, first, download the app from your device's app store. Open the app and tap on Get Started. You will be prompted to create an account by entering your email and a secure password. Next, you need to provide some personal information, including your name and date of birth. After that, enter your address and select your investment goal. Now, you will be asked a series of questions to determine your risk tolerance. These questions will help Acorns tailor your investment portfolio to fit your financial preferences. Once you've completed the questionnaire, you will see various investment options. Choose the account type that best suits your needs, such as a personal or retirement account. Next, link your bank account to start funding your Acorns account. You can choose how much you want to round up your purchases for investments. Consider setting up recurring investments to grow your portfolio more consistently. After linking your bank account and setting your preferences, review your selections. Once satisfied, confirm your account setup. Within moments, you will have a personalized investment portfolio ready to go. Explore the app to check on your investments and track your progress. Use the educational resources available to enhance your understanding of personal finance. That's it, you're now on your way to upgrading your personal finance with Acorns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.